guys, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this super cute muscle tank with ironing on the vinyl. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this, then continue watching. Okay, so today we are going to be making a cutout tank top with a vinyl decal with an iron on there. This I already peeled out, got it ready to go. We got our towel because I don't have an ironing board, a cut up piece of pillowcase, super duper long scissors, and our t-shirt, which is Gildan. I got this from Joanns. They have them at Michael's and Hobby Lobby as well. And then the iron, there's no water, Black & Decker, got it from Walmart. It works. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is iron on the vinyl to the shirt. Lay out towel. Lay out our shirt. Give it a quick little iron just to make sure it's completely flat. Okay, got the decal or vinyl. I always want to say decal. Okay, so here all I'm doing is just taking the iron and holding it onto the pillowcase and the vinyl for about 5-second bursts and then moving it. The way I know that it's done and like on there is if you can see, not bubbles, but they look like bubbles whenever you move the pillowcase, you can kind of see it. But whenever you go to peel the plastic part off, make sure that all of it is nice and stuck onto the shirt. Just to prevent it from coming off or anything like that. Okay, in this part, I'm folding the shirt, making sure all the seams are even, and trying to see where I'm wanting to cut it. For the muscle shirts, you cut obviously a lot lower than where the bottom of the sleeve is if you're wanting to show, you know, anything other than a normal tank top. So that's what I'm doing here, is just getting it all lined up and ready to go. once you go in and make your first cut, you can go back and take away any of the little frillies or fringes or anything that might have happened while you were cutting it. And you can always take away, but remember, you can't add. So make sure you know where you're cutting and all that good stuff. Alright, so that is it for that video. I hope it was helpful. I'd love to hear your thoughts, comments. Leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye.